Hey guys, what's up? It's Scudder85 back in another unboxing. This time, as you can see, it's for The Last of Us Part 2. So yeah, picked this up today. Really looking forward to playing this. Loved the first game. Completed it. So yeah, really looking forward to playing this. So yeah. When I picked this up, I also got a tote bag with the Fireflies logo on it, a keyring, and some badges. So that's cool. So obviously this includes reversible cover art. So that's the front with Ellie on it, and then the side, and then the back. So the in-store size is, yeah, pretty much near 100 gig. So it's like 95 gig. So that's cool. Well, as cool as it's gonna be. Inside, yeah, that data disc and the play disc, and then that's the reversible cover art, which yeah, I quite like, but I'll probably just stick with the standard one. So yeah, it's been a long time coming, but we finally get to play it, guys. So that's my quick unboxing for The Last of Us Part 2. If you like this, please do be sure to check out my other videos, but for now guys, thank you very much for watching, and I'll catch you soon. Cheers, bye bye.